back here on Martin's Sunbeam. First order of business, well, main order of business today is I've spent a little time chasing some electrical on the new stuff, of course, and I've set up our Patronics. Remember, this is positive ground, so everything's set up temporarily. That's why I have the ground clamped, and I've got our black wire from the Patronics to our original ignition wire, which would be a negative, keyed negative. Then I have our black and white wire from the Patronics plugged into our negative. And then on our positive side of the coil, I have the ground wire. So, in theory, when I hit the key, she should run. So let's find out. Alright, moment of truth. We had her cranking the other day. I'm going to give it a little blip of fuel. Keys in run. Woo! Oil pressure. She's running. It's cold, so it's a little lazy. Let's choke. But it's running. All right. It's alive. It's alive. All right. Well, that part's solved.